Hey everyone, welcome back to Life Tips. If you're passionate about living a more sustainable and budget-friendly lifestyle, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into 5 minimalist swaps for a greener, cheaper home. These simple changes can help you reduce your environmental footprint while saving you money. Ready to make your home greener and your wallet fuller? Let's get started. Our first swap is about cleaning your home in a more eco-friendly way. Instead of buying multiple cleaning products, switch to DIY solutions. You can make effective cleaners using items like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon. Not only are these ingredients inexpensive, but they also reduce plastic waste from disposable bottles. Next up, let's talk about reducing single-use items. Replace disposable items like paper towels, napkins, and plastic bags with reusable alternatives. Invest in cloth napkins, microfiber cleaning cloths, and reusable shopping bags. They might cost a bit up front, but they'll save you money in the long run and cut down on waste. Now, let's look at how you can save on energy costs with your lighting. Swap incandescent bulbs for LED lights. LED bulbs are more energy efficient and last much longer than traditional incandescent bulbs. By switching to LED lights, you'll reduce your electricity bill and minimize the frequency of bulb replacements. Our fourth swap is all about upgrading your appliances. Swap old appliances for energy-efficient models. If it's time to replace appliances, choose energy-efficient models that have the Energy Star label. These appliances use less energy and water, which translates to lower utility bills and less environmental impact. Lastly, let's reduce paper waste and cut costs with digital alternatives. Swap paper bills and magazines for digital versions. Opt for electronic statements, bills, and digital magazines instead of their paper counterparts. It not only helps you keep clutter to a minimum, but also reduces your need for physical storage space. And there you have it, 5 minimalist swaps for a greener, cheaper home. By making these simple changes, you can live more sustainably and save money at the same time. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more minimalist and frugal living tips, and leave a comment below with your own eco-friendly swaps. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.